Tell me. Look at that. Tell mommy what I got. What do I got, girl? Yuck. What is that? How big is that, mama? Look at her little leg back there wiggling. Look. Look at it. Here, look that way. Look at her leg just flying in the air. What is that? Dallas, what is that? What do you want, Lola? What do you want, Mama? What about you, Daddy? What do you want? Let's see, we got 2 bones. 2 big, gigantic bones. Oh, shit, she almost knocked me down. Okay, you can close the door. I'll go in. What has Mama got here? I don't know what I got. That's my hand to these bones. That's how big they are. Okay. Lola. Dallas. Come get it. Come get your bone, Dallas. Come here. Dallas, come get your bone. Dallas, come get your bone. Dallas, come get your bone. Boy, are you that scared of her? Oops. Get your bone, baby. Get your bone. Come on, Dallas, get your bone. And my girl, look at her. Look at her little leg, though. Look at it in the back. Look at her little leg. She's got that mean bark. Dallas, you're not going to get your bone? Huh? You're not going to go get your bone, baby? Arr. Arr. Are you telling him not to touch his own bone? Dallas, is she that mean? Huh? Here, Dallas. Dallas, you're really not going to eat your own bone? Huh? Get your bone, baby. Look at her. Look at her. You gotta take that to your bone stash over there? Your little graveyard of bones? Look at my mama. Mama, why are you being so mean? Why are you being so mean, mama? My precious. Mama, why are you so mean? My beautiful baby. There's a meanie. I don't like sharing. It's okay, though. Dallas will get his share, right, Dallas? You're not going to let her take all your stuff, are you?